bathroom. Hold on, let me show you my setup. Look at my gaming setup. I'm currently in the bathroom. I was trying to film a little get ready with me, a chit chat get ready with me. I ended up going live, but yeah, because we got some explaining to do. So I think I'm gonna take today to do like a little catch-up vlog / day in the life, because I have no excuse anymore. Like, we've missed so much. We've got some catching up to do, girls. So I am going to finish cleaning up and we are going to get on our merry little way. I've been in this bathroom for way too long. I went live for about an hour because I was just so fed up, like, one, not putting out content because I had to film, make space for footage, and then edit everything. It's just too much. Don't want to dox myself, my student ID and my student address and where I live and my residence so you guys can come kidnap me. But yeah, let's make our way up to my room. So I typically take the stairs because on my first day here, it was a doozy. I got stuck on the elevator and almost started crying for help. So yeah, I just opt for the safer option now, which also gets my steps in and makes the ass tight and makes the calves calf and makes the legs leg. So I'm not mad at it, but yeah, it's just like, I only take the elevator in a dire emergency if I have like a 90-pound item I have. But this is me 2 floors down from, I don't like really using the bathroom on my floor because, I don't know, I like to explore. But my room, I wonder if my roommate's in there, let's see. Oh, my hair was fucked up and you didn't say anything. Is all you? Yeah. Hold on. Too, there's something in this cup, which they're not paying me. And when I use tune in, I feel like a little toddler drinking, but my ghost. Before I even stress myself out thinking about what I'm about to put on my body, let's just pack my bag to go steady, because that's the easy part. I used to use this bag, which is good, fun, and great, but when it's stuffed, it makes me feel like a turtle walking around campus. So I switched to this very cheap, very structureless tote bag, which she gets the job done, but I cannot wait to upgrade. As soon as she gets like a little beat up, she's getting upgraded, because I need something. I didn't even think about that. It didn't occur to me that I need something not boning, but like it's gotta have some backbone. Yes, boning. It needs some structure, exactly like I said. We're gonna pack our bag. What's in my bag? We're gonna start with my pretty pink HP, which, oh my god, I did a little unboxing. Insert footage so that I don't feel like an absolute idiot.
many pink MacBooks. I saw a girl with a pink MacBook. I said, Rob list, adding you immediately. This cup, I just want to throw it at the wall right now because I don't want to talk about her. What else do I need for the library? Clothes, because it's cold and I'm gonna be, can't wear this. My snack. Let me show you guys my snack drawer. Come on. It's a little messy right now, but it's mine. So if you make fun of me, you're not invited to the cookout that I host with the stuff in this cabinet. We've got some chicken noodle. All my other food is downstairs. I'm gonna have to go down there because I don't know what the fuck I'm showing you this for. I'm gonna grab an orange. No, maybe I'll have a banana for breakfast. But these little halos, don't buy them. They're gross. I'm very picky about my tangerines, my mandarins, my artificially small fruit. And that has no flavor. Like, y'all missed the mark. Y'all forgot what an orange tastes like? My granola bars, the off-brand granola bars from Aldi's, love them down. Specifically the peanut butter ones, and you can see I'm on my last two. These pretzels, they're not good. This bag has been there for about 2 weeks. It's going on week 2 because they're not good. They would have been gone night 1 if they were good. But yeah, just a few of the essentials. This is the messy side really because I think I need to break generational curses and get rid of my hoarding tendencies because I barely use those plastic bags. I take my stuff downstairs and that's it. My wet stuff, my wet dishes, that's it. And this is like my laundry stuff, so I need that. Not much I can do about that one, but other than that, yeah, she's really cute, really fun, really fresh. This drawer, we don't talk about Bruno, but come over here, MTV. This is where I pray to God. Sometimes he answers, and that's where the magic happens.
They always be asking me what I got on, like, they be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's
I kind of have like a lot of homework. Yes, I have a lot of things to do, but no, they're not necessarily due today. Only one exam is due today, which I need to get on that because the longer I wait, I've got a couple writing assignments I need to do after that exam, which are the kicker. But if I get those done, I'll be done. If I do homework today and Tuesday, I'll be done until the 20th, like I said, and it'll be up in stock. And by up in stock, I mean I'll be up in my room, stuck there all day because I don't have any friends down here really. Like I don't know people to go shake my ass on a yacht with. So we'll go exploring, I guess. We'll be making content. I really just shoved my feet in there. Ludicrously capacious bag, our tote bag. And grab our banana with our breakfast bar because I didn't buy any oatmeal on the side. And what else are we gonna make? I'm gonna get yogurt downstairs, so I gotta grab a spoon too. My phone, and I need to charge that phone, so I don't know how much I'll film in the library. There's a big fat piece of hair. I'm gonna put that in the trash can. Gas station, obviously, which can only mean one thing: I'm up to no good. But yeah, can I show you guys my favorite drink for right now? The bevy I've been obsessed with. Oh, there's a piece of hair attached to it already. I'm shedding like a dog. But it's in a big gold cup. because we're at 7-Eleven, but do you see all the bubbles? It's just plain sparkling water, carbonated water from 7-Eleven. When's the first time they ask you if you want sparkling or still? You're trying to act like you're drinking sparkling water before you came out here. But I got my drink because I've been drinking plain ass water. Water is free at the room, so I gotta take advantage of my privilege. I gotta recognize my privilege. So pretty sure my gas is done. I only got a little bit, and we're gonna hit the road. I'll see you guys later because I'm a good little YouTuber, and yeah. So currently walking in the dark as a woman alone by myself, which was not what I planned. I thought I had a little friend that was gonna come help me and do the heavy lifting, but apparently I'm all alone in this cold, cold world. But I don't know, is the lighting better for you guys this way? You see, I got my loot. I didn't show any of the shopping because honestly, it's quite chaotic, but we're here now. Surely but slowly, I'm about to face my fears again and get in the elevator, so come on. Girl, this is the gag. You gotta swipe the card and press a number or it doesn't work. Hold on, it didn't work. Do you guys hear the commotion? It's 9 o'clock at night. And not one of those gentlemen offered to help me with all this heavy stuff, so this is the society we live in. Anyway, are we giving? Let me get to pushing. Let me keep it pushing. I don't want to be loitering. I tell you, I'm in desperate need of a shower. Who is sitting in my spot? I gotta go slow over these bumps. Jesus. I've been showing y'all my ID this whole time. Come to Maryland Springs. What she said, Homewood Suite, Maryland. What did Tokyo say?
6010 Wood Spring Suites.
I don't know, but sorry, you're good. I'm the one taking up all the hallway. I gotta pause, I gotta scoot over for pedestrians. Oh, I knew that bump would do it. Hey, hey. They are drinking Mike's Hard on a Monday night, must be nice. And for my next magic trick, are you a SpongeBob fan? Oh no, the avalanche! It's falling! Well, there's my entertainment for tonight. And what am I gonna do with this ludicrously capacious bag? Hello? Yeah, I'm unboxing my refrigerator right now. Oh dang! I gotta go move my car. Pause. Yeah, because look. Golly. Wait, maybe I should read this. I don't know what this means, but I didn't do this either. It was like this when I moved in. I promise. So. Oh, it's making a noise. Okay. It's fun. More fun. Oh, it's wobbly. I don't like that. I don't know what the wibble wobble is all about, but she's cute. Should have read the instructions. I didn't. You get the vibe. I don't know why I'm acting like a mime right now. Like I'm not here alone and I could do all the talking that I want. I should be talking right now. I just threw away the evidence of today's adventure, Exhibit A, trash can behind me, but I think today is the perfect place. I mean, not today, and let me take off my ID so you guys can't find me, but I think right now is the perfect place to wrap this up because I'm walking back to my room and yeah, there's nothing left to say. Thank you for spending the day with me. If you had fun, you know what to do. If you didn't, you also know what to do. Ill. But yeah, hugs, kisses, XOXO. I gotta go to bed, bitch. It's getting late. You saw that? Super late.